Hey, Pete, John here at LE Nissan here in Leduc. Hey, thanks for inquiring on this Titan. It's late night. We're just about closing up here, but I just wanted to get this video off to you as soon as possible. Like I mentioned in my email, I'm the one that took this on trade from the guy. This is an absolute beautiful shape. Like, take this look at this trailer hitch on here. Nothing's ever been in that thing. That thing's clean. Your backup camera's here. Okay, now take a look. You got the spray-in bed liner, and plus on the, as you see on the floor there, and on the rails here at the top of the box, it's called the Utilitrack system. You got some cleats that tie down there. I think you got 4, and there you can put them anywhere on those 5 tracks to tie down your motorcycle, quad, or whatever have you. The back of the box here on the side, you got a toolbox that opens up. You got a shelf in there, and you can put your tow rope, your battery cables, your gloves, whatever have you. It's all sealed up, eh? Okay, and it's got these chrome running boards on here. Okay, let's take a look on the inside. Sorry if it's kind of dark here, but take this out. These are the cleats I was talking about. They'll tie in into that Utilitrack system. You got these leather interior inside. Sorry, it's dark. It's like I say, it's just closing up here. But I do want to show you inside here, the front. You'll be able to tell. Got the lights on. Okay, this truck comes with a sunroof. Those console up there to put some sunglasses, a little whatever have you up there. Okay, you got bucket seats in the front. Okay, heated seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You got 2 settings for your seat memory. You got here, you got the power adjustable pedals. Sorry again, it's dark out here. This thing's only got 44,000 kilometers on it. Navigation, backup camera. You got a tow haul mode in there as well. Your 4-wheel drive. Okay, Pete, you gotta come down and take a look at this thing. This thing's an absolute beautiful truck. You got the chrome caps on the mirrors. Sorry, we had freezing rain here today, and it's just kind of icy out here. You got the tow hooks up in the front to tow your buddies out. You got the driving lights. You got the fog lights there as well. You got that nice chrome accents on the grill. Okay, Pete, come on down here in Leduc. It's worth the trip. This thing's in absolute beautiful shape. It's going for a really good price. Also, if you're not interested in this one, if you want different color, so on, here, I'm just going to give you a quick shot of our trucks. We got some Nissans, we got a GMC Canyon, different Titans here, different colors. We got a blue, we got a red, lots of white ones. But this one, by far, it's the nicest used one we have, in my opinion, the chrome accents. Come on down here, Pete. We will not waste your time. We promise you we'll make it worth your while. Give me a call at 780-769-0060. Ask for Jean. And yeah, let's make something happen on this Titan. Thank you.